out. We ain't scared to take a shot. Guarantee we won't stop. 6'3" when I'm cruising. On the island, on the yacht. Bad bitch call the phone. She just wanna smoke inside. Overtime working hard. Getting money don't stop. We all came from the bottom. We all try to make it out. You go brick, rock, brick. So you build a house. Never switching my team. I'm down for the route. 5 rings like Cody. I'ma hit it in and out. And you're up like I'm Luka. Gotta fly the bitches out. Go like I'm Kobe. 24 on the clock. Going hard to the morning. Promise that we won't drop. I can take no losses. Pray that we make it out. We ain't scared to take a shot. Guarantee we won't stop. Guarantee we won't stop. Guarantee we won't stop. 24 like a clock. 24 on the clock.
Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Let me just test the audio. Let's see. Okay, we're good. Guys, it's like monsooning out here. It was so crazy before. I mean, like the rain was coming into my windows. I thought the power was gonna go out. I'm gonna be honest. I was like, oh shit. Am I gonna be able to stream today? But so far so good. My flamingo is in the freaking bush. I have to go get him when it stops raining. The wind just took him away. But welcome everybody. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to day 9 of me learning how to vibe code. Yesterday I started building my second project and it's a Thailand itinerary builder, and I had a lot of time to think about it last night because there are some things about it that I don't like in terms of front end design, and we're not done building the functions of the app by any means. We're kind of just like halfway through it. But it was recommended that if I don't like the front end design, that I fix those things now. Because moving forward, as Claude Code continues to build the functions of this app, it's gonna follow that. It's gonna follow the design that we settle on. So anyway, Claude recommended that I fix that first. So I just want to take a look. There's just a lot that I don't like about it. I still feel like this font, it makes it looks a little too similar to the other app that I built, and it looks too similar to my personal website. I don't like the font as it is. If we're gonna use the same theme as my website, I would have much rather just use the same font. So I don't like that. That's number one. I do like this like ticketing style, boarding pass type of thing, type of look. I do like that. That it looks like a boarding pass. I like that style. I want to keep that and maybe just like expand on that a little more. There's too many words, not enough visuals. So I know that I want to add in some pictures, like some stock photos of the locations. And also, I don't know if this is just too linear, like too vertical. That I'm not sure about yet, but first I just want to fix the design. I do hate this font too, like the Jillian's Tip font. I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to make it a scrapbooky look. Also, some of this I feel like should be a drop down. And also I'm missing like I need some type of green. Well, here, they have the jungle green here. That's what they were talking about, but, well, that's what Claude was talking about. So, yeah, I'm going to fix up the front end design first. Hold on, let me turn on the aircon. I'm already hot. I was freezing before. All right, I'm back. And then, like I said, I want it to match my brand, but I do want it to look different. I don't know how to, I kind of want some type of neon type of look without it looking tacky. So I guess let me just talk to Claude and see. Claude's definitely going to have to ask me some questions. So tell me what you don't like about the front end design. I love the boarding pass and ticketing theme, so I definitely want to stick with that and maybe expand upon that. What I don't like is the font of the title and the header still seems too similar to the previous app that I built and too similar to my actual website. I do want this app to look different than the others, but yet still match my personal brand. I need more of that jungle green color throughout the app. And again, I don't want this to look like every other project that I've built. but it's hard for me to decide or explain exactly what I want because I'm unsure of that. I like somewhat of a funky style. Maybe if we could add some type of neon somewhere, but not in a way that it's tacky and not in a way that it doesn't match my brand. So you're definitely going to have to give me options, and you're definitely going to have to ask me some questions for clarification. Also, the app right now looks very wordy, and there are no pictures or visuals. So we definitely need to add some photos, maybe some stock images of the locations and anywhere else that you think is applicable and tasteful. What else do I need? I'm also thinking that some of these items in the onboarding section need to be a drop-down menu, and some of them don't. So also, some of the items in the onboarding section look a little crowded. So I do like the select feature for some of the sections, but I do think that longer sections should be changed to a drop-down menu, because those sections are looking a little bit crowded. We don't have to change everything at once if that's going to be too overwhelming. So feel free to ask me some clarifying questions and give me some options to choose from. What else? Did I say something about the font? Yeah, I did. All right, let's see. In addition to that, I definitely would like to add some micro animations to the page. Not sure if that's best to add that now or later. Let me know. Yeah. I just don't like the way, I just don't like it. I don't like the way it looks. If we're gonna, I'm okay with keeping the color scheme the same as my previous projects because I do love that color scheme. I love like cream, but I'm missing that like sage green and that jungle green. That's like my favorite color. But again, don't want it to look like everything else that I've built. So trying to keep it on brand, but experiment a little bit. Oh, I forgot to mention that the Jillian's Tip font. I hate that font. The font is so ugly to me. Crafted with Mango by Jillian. Where did they get this from? We'll work on that later. Okay, let's see. The fact that you can't fully articulate his hormones. Look and feel. Okay, wait. I didn't finish reading. Group this into phases. Look and feel foundation, fonts, jungle, green, neon accent. Do this first. Onboarding, ergonomics, photos, micro animations. All right. Sure. One thing I need from you, to make the title font genuinely different from your other, I need to know what I'm avoiding. What fonts do your website use for headings? Text my answer. Okay. I don't know what the fonts are called, but I'm dropping the URL to my personal brand website and the Thailand Cost Calculator that we created. Also, I absolutely hate the font that you used for whenever it says Jillian's tip. So that needs to be changed as well. Welcome, everybody. If you're just joining, welcome to the stream. If you don't know me, my name's Jillian. 9 days ago, I decided to go live and start learning how to vibe code my own travel apps for my own personal brand, because you're not watching a coder or a vibe coder. You are watching a solo female traveler and an expat living in Thailand. Moved to Thailand from New York City 2 years ago. I create a lot of Thailand content. So I want to build things that will bring value to my audience and community, since I'm constantly getting questions about traveling to Thailand. It's been a busy morning. Made a little money on Fiverr this morning. As soon as I woke up, I didn't even have my coffee yet, and I made a little bit of money. So that was nice. But I like to wake up slow. I don't like to wake up and get right to work. So that's how I started my morning. And then another inquiry on Fiverr as well, but it's a little bit of a complicated situation with the client. There's a lot of details with the client, so I had to start moving on with my day, so I'm gonna have to get back to them later. Okay, no problem. Looks good. Your Claude is understanding the assignment. Title, header, direction. What do I want? Space, geometric, modern, slightly funky, pairs naturally with, okay. No, I know what this font is. I don't like that. Quirky, rounded, high personality, the most funky option. Clashes with a modern font with edge, funky but sophisticated. Sits between distinctive, still classy. Which one do I want? Geometric, modern, design, slightly funky. Oh, can I just look up these fonts actually? Space. Grotesque font. Okay, and then what was the other one? Unbounded. No, I don't know if I like that. That's a little too plain. Slightly funky. Where's the funk? Where's the funk in that? Okay. Flash display. I don't like any of those. I don't like any of those. Wait, nothing's been changed, just so you have it when you're ready. Here's the takeaway. What is it thinking about? Is it gonna give me more options? What was the first one? Maybe the first one wasn't that bad. Still grow. Was it this one? No, it wasn't that one. Let me build a live font preview right into the app. No, I don't want that. Modern graphic lane. They're a whole television show they haven't shown you. No, I don't want a preview panel. No, I don't want a preview panel. Can you maybe just give me a few more examples of fonts for me to look at? Typewriter-ish. Clean, chunky slab. All right, let's see. Nope. Nope, don't like that. I think I know what this font is, and I don't think I like it. Oh my god, so many options. Well, they're all Google fonts, that's why. know what this one is. I don't like that. Warm, quirky character. That one's kind of cool. This one's kind of cool. The little things that I get tripped up on, but that's super important to me. Front end, I want the front end design to look I think I like this one. A little irregular, lots of character. Well, I like that. Yeah, I think I like this one. Let's go with... Thank God I could make a decision, because for a minute I'm like, I'm never gonna be able to decide. If you're watching, say hi. I see 4 people watching. Nobody's talking to me today yet. Yeah, hopefully. Hi, Titum Studio, Titum. Hi, Titum, nice to meet you. That's a cool name, Titum. So are you in Thailand? Are you Thai? I think I fixed the latency on this stream as well, so there should be less of a delay. Learning new things every day, not just about vibe coding, but about streaming as well. And if you are in Thailand, I'm wondering what part of Thailand you're in, because it was just like monsooning out here. I thought the power was gonna go out. Did it push? Okay. Let's pull it. Let's see what it did. That's the same font. Doesn't look like it. This is not that font. There's no way that's that font. There's no... I don't know, Claude. That doesn't look like the same font that I'm seeing when I Google it. Let me send you a screenshot of what I see. That do not look like the same font. That just ain't the same. So, Taidam, you didn't tell me, are you in Thailand? Chad, I got ants in my pants today. I can't stop dancing anywhere that I've been today. Stop asking me to allow you. I think I do have some limitations on the permissions on Claude. Alright, let's see it. It's like missing that funky feel. Oh. Hi, Echo. Thank you. Always helping me. Yeah, I mean, it's on accept edits, right? Oh, bypass permissions? Is that what I'm supposed to do? No, it's still missing something. It's still missing something. It doesn't have that flair that I'm seeing when I look up the font. It still looks a little plain. If we can't make it look a little funky with the same font, then I need a different font. But I definitely need it to have that flair and that spice. The way I talk and describe things. I really don't want to spend hours on a font, man. Like, just get it done for me. Just make it pop. Let's see. Let's see if you're gonna get it done, Claude. Let's see if you're gonna get it done. Oh, I'm sore.
I'm jealous of your left side tattoo, cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, cause they know you from the womb.
Let's see.
And know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its night, watching you snooze, even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, baby, is
Said
it
they
fine?
want like a.
Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my
Nope. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. That's not what I want. I need something funkier. Please and thank you. Or right click the title. Oh, inspect. It's telling me to inspect. All right, let's inspect. Inspector fucking Gadget over here. In the computed style pattern, check the, okay, computed. Check the font family. Oh, well, here's the problem. It's not the font. If it shows, then it's loaded. It's not the right font. There we go. That makes sense. That makes sense. This is what's in the font family. Jakarta Sands. Jakarta. That's in Indonesia.
Crazy, babe, but I'm jealous. I'm selfish. It's supposed to be all mine. I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish. All mine.
All right, let's see. Come on, Claude. Yes! Hallelujah. Okay, I like that. Yay! Okay. Yep, that worked. What's next? What's up, everybody? We got 9 people here. Well, we got 8 people here. Say hi. Especially if you're new here. Okay, let me try this. Let me do this. Oh, wait. Okay, yes, let's continue with the design backlog before we jump back into the feature steps. So let's move on to the next one, which is more jungle green and a touch of neon. And we're gonna clean all this up, guys. This is way too crowded. Way too crowded. We need some drop-down menus. Too many selections.
That's basic. She drank straight down, she don't do chaser. I don't do broke bitches, no favors. She don't got no money or no paper. Look, I'm different. I like green hunters, the blue ones feeling so fresh. They call me a goat, so I pull up in a land, big dog, won't break it too fat. You know it get cold, bitch, I'm in New York like I play for the Jets. If you know, then you know. Get money and die for respect. Look, big dog, double law, we slide on the race. Put money on this and now body in the lake. It's different. I got a different type of. It's different. She got a different type of. It's different. So I'ma spend it on her. It's different. Only time I deal with tellers, I'm running it up like I live in the bank. You normally do what you can, I do what I want, so do what I say. The new crew came with a pool. I'm out of town, I'm out of state. I just put a new drink on.
So many mosquito bites. All right, let's see. Got it. Option one more. Hi, Azur. How are you today? Just fixing up some things for the front end design before I add more features to it, because I was thinking about it last night and I just don't like the way it looks. You know, alive as always. So happy to hear you're still alive. That's what we want. It's been good. It's been a busy morning since I woke up. I woke up and I made a little money on Fiverr as soon as I opened my eyes. So that was nice. But also I like to wake up slow and calm, and I woke up and it was like work right away. But yeah, just a cute little order, nothing crazy. But got the order, already delivered it before I even finished my coffee. And then I have another potential client on Fiverr coming in right now, but I need to talk to him more about his details before they order anything from me. But But it was just a little visa prep that these two clients needed. One just needed a checklist, a document checklist of what they need to prepare to apply for the same visa that I'm on. So Claude made it for me. And then I had Claude Design. I played around with Claude Design a little bit just to make it prettier. What if this project shows a Google Maps route from beginning? Yeah, so Azor, that's actually in the it's in the plan. I gave it like a 10-step plan and we got through step 5 yesterday, and it should, once the user generates their itinerary, there should be some type of map incorporated that shows their route. But we'll see when we get to that step what it actually generates. I don't know if it's going to be what that map's going to look like. But yeah, I was thinking the same thing. It's a really good idea. Definitely need to add a map, but I just wanted to fix what I don't like about the front end design before I start adding more features. But definitely needs a map. 100% something like this needs a map. Whenever I plan a trip, I'm like studying the map. All right, let's see. Flip and hover around the form. This is all too cluttered. The map can be taken straight up from Google Maps and added with a... This could be done with that. Okay, cool. All right, so when we get to the map section, we'll work on figuring out how to add that in. Because Google Maps would be the best, because I mean that's what everybody uses, really. All right, it gave me more green. All right, let's see. The month drop down through the chips. You get an electric jungle. Okay, let's see. Okay. Primary button in dark mode. Okay. If you want more green, okay, I do want more green. I love green. And I want more neon somewhere. Okay, I want more green for sure. And I want more neon incorporated somehow. Not sure how. But again, not in a way that makes it look tacky. But I do want this to feel a little more cute and a little more funky than the previous apps that I built. Let me see this checklist again. Micro animations, yeah, that's the last. The photos, visuals is essential. There's way too many words, 0 pictures. Transport options, weather notes, and budget links land in the next update. Okay, yeah, so this right here is telling me it knows my plan. I think once the transport options get put in, I think that's where the map is going to be generated. And then we'll see what it does, and then maybe we can make it a Google map. Selected chips. Primary build my route button. Under warm content. Okay, maybe. Let's see. Oh my God, it's never gonna stop raining. It was literally like a monsoon before. Like it was, the rain was like blowing onto the windows. Like I couldn't even see out of my windows. I swear I thought the power was going to go out and I wasn't going to be able to stream. I truly thought there's no way the power is staying on if the rain's like this. Ooh, that's a little nicer. You know what, Azor, I have to say, like, I also like the rain, especially since I live here. If I was maybe just traveling here and it was raining like this all the time, I might be upset because that's usually not why people come to Thailand, for the rain. But the fact that I'm here all year, the rain, there is, especially tropical rain, there's something so calming about it. I love going to sleep with the sound of it. And I would rather be somewhere rainy than cold. I mean, even though it does feel a little cold outside with this rain. What does it look like? Okay, cool. Hi, Raina. I just wonder if I should switch this jungle green to my typical sage green. No, let's keep it. I have to be different. I have to be different. But now I need some of that coral. I need some of the coral back. That's a great attitude to have, Raina. You're young as well, so you just stay doing you. Hi, Ronan. There's an issue with their servers, and you may experience some issues on your end. Oh, thanks for the heads up, Ronan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm liking that. But now I'm just missing more of that coral piece. Maybe we could change it so when you hover over the selected items that they become coral. That's awesome, Raina. Yeah, maybe if we'd make it so we get that coral still. I'm so tempted to go sage green, but I just want it to look different. So I think it's important to learn how to, love your own company. Whether you're single or not, um, it's important to enjoy your own company. I mean, I absolutely love solo traveling. I can really never travel with somebody ever again. Um, I used to travel with an absolute psychopath. Uh, and once I started traveling alone, oh my God, it just got so much better. I could do whatever I want, eat whenever I want, get ready on my own time, go explore on my own time. Wait, no, that's not what I was talking about. No, no, no. No, that's not what I meant. I just meant when you hover over those selectors, that it gives a hint of coral, but the selection still stays green. Um, Yeah, some people's energies, Reina. Yeah, but all like now that I travel alone, it's just I can just do whatever I want. Um, Not a lot of people want to do the type of travel that I do, and I completely understand it. But I used to travel with a complete psychopath who would tell me that I was gonna get us killed one day. Oh, thinking back to it, it's hilarious now. Man, I must be speaking gibberish. My Claude doesn't understand my audio. Really? I feel like mine doesn't understand me. I definitely speak gibberish to Claude. That's for sure. Yeah, yeah, definitely Azor. I'm just being super nitpicky with the design. Wait, did it pull? Okay, yeah. Okay. It's better. All right. I'm okay with it for now. This is all going to become a drop-down menu anyway. But I feel like that coral needs to... Oh, I see. It's in the light mode. Okay, I just need a touch more coral somewhere in the onboarding section. Keep in mind that we are going to be changing some of the sections to drop-down menus. That's somewhere on our agenda. But I just want to make sure that when the page loads, it's obvious that the color scheme is the jungle green and the coral. I'm not seeing enough coral. Like I want to see those two colors complement each other. On hover use. Okay. Oh, yeah, Ronan. Yeah, I should. I guess I don't even know where I want it. That's the problem. I don't even know where I want it. Also, the last step in the front end design, like on the front end design edits that I'm making, it is going to add some micro animations in, so maybe the coral will be added there. But let's just see what it does now, and then I'm gonna move on. Yep, Raina, some people are just meant to be removed from your life. I do that very easily. When people in my life don't bring value, they just get removed. Oh, okay, that's better. That's better. That's better. Yeah. Yep, that looks much better. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, that looks much better. Let's move on to the next piece. I believe it was the photos. Yeah, some people be like that. Some people be like that, Marina. But you feel free to DM me anytime on Instagram if you need to talk about those things. No, no worries, Reina. No worries, no worries. I just don't want to get too much in depth about it. I feel like you need to talk about it. We can chat. We could definitely chat. Can get everyone rich. Hi, Sardi. How are you? Welcome to the stream. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if I'm the best person to answer your question. I'm an amateur vibe coder, so I'm just learning and I'm building travel apps for my own brand. I'm not selling anything right now because I am in the learning stage. Exactly, Echo. So, but the thing is, I feel like in a few years from now, more people are gonna obviously catch on and just build their own websites. But because once I started experimenting and I built my own website, and mind you, when I built my own website, I built it because Replit had a like a 10th birthday celebration, and they had unlimited tokens for 24 hours. And so I just went crazy, but I didn't know what I was doing. Like, I was just winging it. Like, it was my first time really building something. So I knew that it was free for 24 hours. So I was just winging it, and I built my my website and my portfolio. And then after I did that, I started thinking, why would anybody pay anybody for a website? This was so easy to build. Now, obviously, my shit is, beginner level and not that high end, but it just got me thinking, like, why would anybody pay so much money to have their website built? But Echo, like you said, a lot of people, majority of people don't even know how to ask AI for directions. And I think a lot of people don't even have the stamina to try to like figure it out. So that's why they just pay. So I do know vibe coders who do make a lot of money selling websites to brands. So that I will say. What was my website? Bye, Raina. Have a good day. It's early. It's the start of your day. So have a great day. Sorry, you're talking about my website? The website that I literally just like, it was just a free for all. Yeah, there are still a lot of people who are actually coding. But I do know people building with AI who that's like just what they do for a living. Again, I couldn't tell you if they're rich, but they make a living off of it. That's all I can say. I was using Replit. Replit had a 24-hour unlimited tokens event for their 10th birthday, like a month or two ago. So that's when I just started getting into the idea of vibe coding, because I had been needing a website for myself and I had been needing to make a portfolio for myself. So I just kind of took advantage, but I really don't know what I was doing. But I'm happy with how the websites came out. But now I'm trying to learn in a more structured and systematic way, rather than just like being like, oh my God, I have 24 hours and this is free. Let me just build the shit out of this and I don't even know what I'm doing. But do you vibe code, Sardi? Are you a coder? Do you have a background in code? I've tried and copy an app. Yeah, I mean, you're starting out. Yeah, me too. So welcome. You're not alone. I'm also starting out. A lot of people have come on here the past 9 days and told me not to use Replit, but I'm just building my first 2 projects in Replit because I have Replit credits until almost the end of June. So I just want to use them while I have them before they expire. And then people are telling me to switch to other platforms, so I am going to try other platforms afterwards. You're in performance marketing and marketing stuff now and move on to vibe coding. That's cool. Where do you do your performance marketing stuff? Are you a freelancer? Like, do you sell your services on Fiverr or something like that? Oh yeah, 100%, 100%. I mean, I'm not selling anything right now. I'm just giving it to my audience on social media. Who I have a lot of people, because I create a lot of Thailand content because I'm an expat living in Thailand, and a lot of people I get flooded with messages basically every single day asking me questions about traveling to Thailand or living in Thailand. So I figured to start learning, I would just build tools that I can gift to them just to kind of get the experience. How do you say your name? Nidul, is that how you say your name? Hi, Nidul, welcome to the stream. I'm building a Thailand itinerary builder. Okay, sure. You could also join the Discord if you want. But up to you. Up to you. All right, there should be some images now. I think that's what happened. Do the photos look good? What am I looking for? Actually. Photos are in. Each stop ticket now opens with a location photo banner. Corner credit. All right, let's see. Let's see if we go for 14 days, 5 stops. All right, let's go 4 stops. Departing from BKK. Let's do a first time Thailand. Interests, temples, night markets, and beaches. Let's go in February. And let's just see. Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Krabi, Phuket. Yeah, that would be, for a first timer, I would be okay with that route. So I approve. I approve of the suggestions, day by day plan. I want a better Bangkok photo. No, I think the photos are too like zoomed in. Like, what is this? Just the hands of the statues? Yeah, like the cliffs are cut off. Not the best picture of Krabi. Phuket, that's where I live. Do you already have a pin? I don't have anybody paying for anything. Okay, yeah, the images. I like that. I like the idea, or I don't know if it's too big. I feel like it's not tasteful. That's true, Azor. You can drive traffic through your YouTube to other socials. Thank you, Sardi. I mean, for sure, I definitely can. Right now, that's just not the point of this stream. But I am on Instagram and TikTok as well. It's the same handle. You're not going to find any vibe coding content on there. It's just going to be travel and Thailand content. But not necessarily here to just like promote myself like that. I mean, I have nothing to sell. I have nothing to sell anybody. Like, great to have a following, but I definitely want a following on each social that also makes sense. You know, people who are actually going to find value in what I'm posting, not just any random people who, you know, aren't going to benefit from it. Okay, I don't know what I want to do with this. I think this is first of all, the photos suck. They're cut off. I think they're too zoomed in. They're too zoomed in, and I just don't know. It doesn't seem like it's placed in a tasteful way. Okay, Sardi, maybe another time. I would love to grow my socials. Right now, I do have to focus on this. Yeah, currently learning in the learning stage, Sardi. In the learning stage, I'm just thinking. Also, it's vibe coding. In a lot of ways, I want to just be able to vibe code, just be able to tell AI what I want. But I do have it trained now to ask me questions and give me examples, so. Okay, I'm not liking the photos. First of all, I feel like they're somewhat zoomed in and cut off. I also am not sure if they're too large. It doesn't seem like they're placed in a tasteful way. Feel free to ask me some clarifying questions and give me some options of how we could change the photos and the placement of the photos. Yeah, thanks, Sardi. Appreciate it. Right now, I'm okay doing what I'm doing. Some prompts are better than others. I'm okay with it. All right, while it's thinking, let me run to the bathroom.
I need him coming for me. I need him begging for me. I need him down on his knee. I won't wait. I cannot stay. I need you on the way. You got 10 minutes, babe. 10 minutes, babe. To do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, kind of urgency. Please make it easy. I need your urgency.
All right, I'm back.
Woke up out my sleep, had a bad dream. Dreamt it wasn't me. I'm dodging Z's. Glad straight from
You too, Sardi. Take care.
This weird to you, but it's true to me. Do my own thing, said I was down there.
All right, let's see what our options are. Small thumbnails by name. I'm dead. Add a small rounded photo. Hi, Jack. Welcome to the stream. A small rounded photo, passport stamp, luggage tag style. Ooh, that sounds cute. Next to the destination, subtle on theme. Small image. Side photo column. Photo fills the left third of the ticket. All good, Jack. All good, Jack. That just made me laugh. One hero photo only. Slim banner, less soon. Okay. I'm in between choice one and choice 2. I like the passport stamp luggage tag style, but I think it's going to be too small. I like the first 2 options. I like the idea of a passport stamp or luggage tag style, but I do think that might be too small and not visual enough for me. So I do like the idea of the side photo column. Should the landing form view also get a photo? Yeah. Let's do that. Well, not gonna lie, it's funny in general terms because we don't let our setups touch water or let water touch our That's true. That's true. I'm even honestly weary about having just any liquids anywhere, like my water, but it won't cause too much spillage. Also, I'm clumsy as fuck. I can't have something that's gonna spill around me because I really am. I'm clumsy. I spill everything. I trip everywhere I go. So that's have to keep the liquids away from the setup. All right, cool. Azor, I know that's what you want me to do. That's not what I signed up for. That day, even that second day when you guys were, I mean, I know you were teaching me something basic, but I was looking at actual real code. I was like, I wasn't expecting to be doing this. How long have I been in this coding industry? 9 days. And I don't consider myself being part of the industry. Like, I'm just learning a new skill here right now. So I definitely wouldn't make that claim, the industry. That just sounds, I don't think I'm part of that club yet. Jack, are you a vibe coder? Are you a coder? Are you building something? Yeah, just learning right now. Oh, it's already 4 p.m. by me. Time fucking flies when you vibe code. It's insane. I say it every day. Oh shit. Well, you really took what your parents said. Yeah, I break everything. I don't know. I've always been clumsy, always gonna be. I remember now my old student isn't here anymore, but I remember I fell once in public on the street in New York City. Right by my school, like by my high school students. And everybody's like, "Are you okay?" I just rolled around and got right up. I was like, "I'm good, I'm good, I'm good." Yeah, I'm in AI and blockchain. That's cool, Jack. That's right, Azor. At least if you break it, it's yours. All right, let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me reload the page. Oh no, I don't want this here. This is too clunky. Maybe something that like floats in the background of the text or something like that. This is like just too. And not the best stock photo of Thailand. I'm so picky. Yep, that's where I live, Jack. That's why I'm building Thailand apps. And that's the right idea, Azor, because if you built it, then exactly, you know how it works, so you know how to fix it. So smart. I need to learn how to build everything of mine so I know how to fix it. Okay. I don't want Pangna. Maybe... Oh, I know what I would love a photo of there, but nobody planning a trip to Thailand is gonna go to this place. Stop tickets. The photo now sits on the ticket desktop. Okay, don't like where the hero image is placed, and I don't like the image itself as a whole. Maybe we could use something more iconic like PP Islands, since that's where everybody usually wants to go when they come to Thailand. Or if not PP Islands, maybe one of the iconic temples. I don't know. Do I want to go temple? Do I want to go temple or do I want to go beach? Let's go PP Islands. That's what people think of. And then for the placement of that, maybe we could have it somewhat muted in the background of the text in the title. I just don't like the way that it's placed. And then for this, the crop still isn't right. And I don't like the stock photos that were chosen. I guess I'm okay with it like this. It is like a luggage tag. Okay, that's fine. For the side column images, I do like the placement of it, but the crop still isn't right. You can't see the full image. And also, I'm just not a fan of the stock images that were chosen for each destination that I've seen so far. All right, let me check the chat. Can I be your LLM model? What the hell? How many more things do I have on this design agenda? I don't have Nightbot anymore. I was thinking about adding it back just so I don't have Streamlabs in the chat because I'm not even using Streamlabs anymore. But at least it's posting the Discord link, so I just left it. So I was gonna link Nightbot again, but just take away all those take away all those rules. Crack the joke, Jack. It did rhyme. It did rhyme. But I'm still scared that Nightbot is going to be strict. Nightbot is strict, even when I thought I got rid of it. Even when I thought I got rid of it. I'm still banning, warning people. Oh, I don't want to add my own photos. I have plenty of photos, but I just don't got time for that. Unsplash views are more far beautiful curated than RIP. I have so many photos, but I can't go through them right now. How should the side column photo handle the crop? Show the full photo. Kenneth will always be the OG. He will always be the OG. That's for sure. Handle the crop. Okay. Let's see. 4:15. I have to finish the design fix today. And then I'll move on to the features tomorrow, but there's still so much more for everything I want fixed in the design. Shit, the wind is coming. The wind is coming. Vibe coding makes me hungry. That's what I'm realizing. I have not been this hungry in a long time since I started streaming and vibe coding. Like, I don't know. He's R.I.P. Jack. Oh yes, it's gonna put the Chiang Mai Lantern Festival photo in. I see it. That's the image we need for Chiang Mai. I've been to that Lantern Festival. The first year that I moved here, I went. But I'll never go. It was an experience, but I'll never go again. Good to do it once, but way too many people, way too many people, way too many lines. Like I waited on lines all day long. I waited on lines longer than the actual festival lasted. So I will never ever do that again, but it was so beautiful. Like it was a great experience, but too many lines and too many people. It was crowded. I hate being around so many people. I hate being in crowds. So once was enough. Experienced it, I'm good. Yeah. I'm pretty like antisocial, and then sometimes I feel like I want to be social, and then I am, and then my social battery is like immediately drained. So I actually made a real life friend here who I think I'm gonna meet up with her on Saturday for dinner. I can't even believe that I made a real life friend. That's something, when I moved here 2 years ago, I said I was going to do, that I was gonna make new friends who have the same interests as me, because I've outgrown everybody at home who likes to drink and likes to party. Like I don't drink alcohol, I don't do any of those things. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to move to Thailand. I'm going to make a bunch of friends who are just like me. Have 0 friends, by the way. So I made a real life friend. And this girl that also lives here. And I can't even believe it. As an adult, it's so hard to make friends, like new friends. So weird. The creator of Git and Linux was as antisocial as we are. He didn't want to meet and talk face to face with anybody, so he made Git. Oh shit, well, look at that. Being antisocial made him super successful. The system that you run on. Oh shit. Well, then I guess he had the right idea about being antisocial. Let him get the work done. Yeah, but I want to be a little more social than I am, not too much. I think this girl might be the right fit as a friend for me, because I'm a very like, if I'm gonna be your friend, it has to be a no pressure friendship. Like don't expect me or rely on me to always be available for you, to be around, to want to do things 24/7. Like I can't have a friend that needs me to socialize with them 24/7. It kind of has to be like, I see you when I see you, when it works for both of us, and we don't have to talk every day, and we can just hit each other up and be like, hey, are you free? You want to do this? If you're not, that's good. If you want to join, great. Like those are the type of friendships I need. I can't have the pressure. 2026. Right. Exactly. We're friends, but don't have too many expectations of me to be available for you. I can't promise people that. But she seems to be the same way. Well, that's right. Well, you don't even know what day it is, Azor, so it's okay. You don't even know what day it is. But she seems to be similar to me. Like, her social battery seems to get drained quickly. And even we were talking about last weekend, and she was just like, oh, I need to rest this weekend. Perfect. I feel you, girl. Like, so she seems like the perfect friend for me, so hopefully. What month is it? That's what I'm always, it's June 2nd now. All right, let's see. Please tell me that this looks good. Ooh, that looks better. I'm not sure what that is in the background. No, I'm not selling this. It's just a project, another project I'm gonna gift to my followers, just as I'm learning. 1.5 years spent on making my own AI bug. Wow, 1.5 years you've been working on that. Yeah, it's June already. I can't believe it. I need the picture to be better, but now I want to move on. I want to move on to the next thing. Let's say I'm an island hopper. Ah, much better, much better. Much better. Okay, good. Okay. What if we started in Chiang Mai? Oh, I don't see the lantern photo. Okay, all of that looks much better. For now, the only thing I want to change is that photo in the hero section. I just want a better photo of Phi Phi Islands. Maybe with some longtail boats and the limestone cliffs. What is that place called? What is that place called that I went to? Not Nui Bay. What is it? Pile Lagoon? Pile Lagoon? Maybe something that looks like Pile Lagoon in Phi Phi Islands, or just a similar look to that. And for the image that you're using for Chiang Mai, I would like if you could find a photo of the Lantern Festival there. That would be a good photo for Chiang Mai. Not Shanghai, that's in China. Chiang Mai. I think it's Pile. I think it's spelled like that. Phi Phi Islands. Okay. It works though, but I don't want this version of Ultron to start killing everybody, which, spoiler alert, right? It did kill every animal nearby once it's run. Two rats and a bulb shot down. 2 rats. Oh, rats. Don't even get me started on rats. Don't even get me started on rats. Coming from New York City. Oh, it's giving Chinese lanterns and not the Yipeng. And no good Pele shot. Using those would be location wrong, which defeats the point. So. Alright. Perfect. I am already liking how this looks much better. Much, much better. See, nobody cares about the rats. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah. If we're talking about rats, that's one thing, but, let's protect your neighbor's head. Let's just protect your neighbors and the people in general. I'm 2 commodities away from tragedy. Light bulb heads. Damn, I'm getting hungry, not gonna lie, not gonna lie. I'm just imagining that some baldies with the sun reflecting off of their head. It's like my dad. My dad is bald. He has the shiniest head. Okay, it's better. I still don't like it. It's too much cliff, not enough water. I'm so picky. I'm so freaking picky. Nice, it's better. I wanted it with the lanterns in the sky. Oh my god, I'm so picky. I'm so annoying. I'm just so picky. Okay, the hero image is too much cliff, not enough water. So I need a different image for that. And for the Chiang Mai lanterns, I want a stock image of the lanterns actually in the sky. This one is of people holding them before they release them. Well, pin drop silence actually is not peace. I need white noise. I need white noise. Like the rain. If it's pin drop silence, that's just like creepy to me. I need some type of white noise. I remember once a friend of mine from Brooklyn, we were stoned, and I don't know how we got into this conversation about what white noise do you like best, and we started listening to white noise videos on YouTube. Such a stoner moment. I'm the same way with my UI. I end up removing. Okay, Echo, good. I'm glad I'm not alone, because I'm just so picky. But again, like, the front end design it's really important to me. Like, I want the page to load and it be like, wow. Is acting just that creepy? I need to re-update it from. All right, it's gonna give me Maya Bay. That's iconic. It's iconic. That's from the movie The Beach. So I'm okay with that. It is kind of like basic, but I'm okay with it. If I start going into what image that I have in my mind, in my brain, that I've actually seen with my own eyes, I don't think there's going to be a stock image of it, because it's in such a hidden gem, like, out of the box place that I went. There's no way they're not going to be able to find. And the picture that I have of it doesn't even do the view justice. So let's just go with this. Wanted to make a bodyguard. I should make a bodyguard. I don't need one, though, living in Thailand. I have to say, I needed a bodyguard when I was living in New York, but I have never felt safer than living in Thailand. Don't need a bodyguard at all here. In New York, I used to park my car by my apartment there. And in New York City, there's no parking, so I would have to park at least a block away. And it would be dark, but it would only be like 8 p.m., so it's not even late. I swear I would, like, run to my apartment and, like, look behind me. And it's like 8 p.m. and I'm running like that. Oh, thank you, Azor. Yeah, the people here, the locals here, like, I've never felt even, like, more respected just walking around. That everybody is just super kind, super helpful. The most helpful people ever. Even when I don't need help, they're running to help me. The service is incredible here. Like, Thai people just really, they want to serve you and welcome you into their country. The final design backlight item is the form drop downs for the crowded sections. But what about the micro animations? You can't see it. The crop is bad. Come on. Come on. What the hell? I'm not getting that for sharing my. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, that's better. I don't love the image, I'm gonna be honest, but it's okay. It's okay. Maybe I'll find my own at some point and do it with this. The way the hero image is cropped, I can't see the water. So I don't know if you need to find another image or crop it in a different way, but let's fix that. And then once I'm okay with that, I'm ready to move on. And speaking of that, I know you said that the last thing that we need to do is the drop down menus, but wasn't there something else? Weren't we going to add micro animations after everything? There's a reason we get called the Wild West. East is far more cultured. That's true. That's true. And being so far removed now, it really is the West really is wild. Nidul, I don't know if you're asking me. Because I'm just using AI to build it. I think you might be asking Azor about his project. Okay, a drone shot. That's good. A drone shot will be good. Yeah. You remembered writing up. They're still on the list. Here's the full remaining plan. Hero crop, form drop downs. Oh, the micro animations are after all the features. Okay, sure, no problem. That's not a problem. Okay. All right, let's see. Because then I could just do the drop downs today and then I could move on to the next feature tomorrow. Even though I want to do that today, but I got to work at in less than 2 hours. Okay, that's better. Even though it's very muted for the light mode. Let me see, is it the... God, I just can't. Okay, the photo's good though. The photo's good. The photo is good. The only thing I want to change about it is that I feel like it is a little bit too muted where you can't see it well enough, especially when you're in light mode. So I just want to make the image a little more visible, but I don't want it to interfere with reading the text. Let me attach a screenshot of what it currently looks like in each mode. let's not go back and forth too many times about how much we want to unmute this image. Cause ain't nobody got time for that today. Oh, yay, Azor. I'm glad that that you think so. Cuz that's the goal, like, for a user. I mean, your feedback, any of your feedback, it's just super valuable to me because, you know, I want to know, will this be useful to somebody? So I'm glad. And it's only, in terms of features, it's only halfway built. Just last night, I could not stop thinking about how I didn't like the front end design of it. Like, I was laying in bed thinking about it. I was like, I just don't like the way it looks. So, I just needed to change that first. Okay, let's see. Please let me be happy with it. Small tip from before making things on web pages, try making them on real pages and match and fit them to your liking. You can also take a photo of those pages and give them to AI. This is called wireframing. Okay. Try making them on real pages. What do you mean? I don't know if it's a stupid question. What do you mean by real pages? Like just a blank document? Okay, did I pull that? Okay. Yes. Like, take a white page and... Oh, okay, yeah. Try making them on real pages and match and fit them to your liking. Okay. That's a good idea. I feel like I do need to sketch things out. You're 100% right. Oh, this looks nicer. This looks way nicer. I'm a fan. I am a fan. Let me just prompt Claude. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's start the form drop downs. I do feel like sketching things out will be helpful for me. I think right now, I'm in this stage where it's hard for me to even visualize something. Like, I don't even know exactly what I want it to look like. And what's crazy is that this is the most indecisive I have felt in my entire life. I'm a very decisive person. Like, I'm the type of person who usually knows exactly what they want and how they want it. But with vibe coding, this is the most indecisive I have ever felt. Blue Byte was first built on nodes with crayons and then built it on Grok and then redesigned it on Gemini. Oh, wow. So it's been through a lot of phases. Yeah, oh my God, imagine it all starts with pencil and paper. I think I'll start doing that when I feel like I have more of an idea of what I want everything to look like. Because like I said, I don't know. I've never been more indecisive in my life. I'm a very decisive person in all other aspects of my life. And also, I have a certain aesthetic. And if it were up to me, everything would look exactly the same, which is why I'm trying to experiment a little bit and make things look different. Yeah, I think building web apps, it's just giving me way too many options. It's giving me way too many options.
Jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, Azor. Like, I totally get what you're saying. You're right. Like, I'm not going to get something till I see it. I'm a visual learner. So, yeah, I have to get on that. I got to know what I want more. And then if I do, I definitely could. I'm no artist. That's for sure. When I was teaching geometry and I would have to draw like triangles and squares, trying to draw a circle. But I feel like even just a sketch would be good enough for me to give to AI. I think it would definitely help. It's because it's flowing. You are internally asking, how does this make me feel? How does it look for me? Okay, let's see. Yeah, I am doing a lot of internal questioning, that's for sure. And I overthink a lot of things. And Echo, you did tell me that. I definitely overthink a lot of things, but I don't know. I pay attention to like really, really small details, and if those small details aren't in place, it will just irk me. So, okay. Yeah, this is better. Wellness. Wait, but didn't I say? Oh no, I chose Phuket. Snorkel and dive. Day trip to the Simoleon Islands. Ooh, I want to go here. I haven't been here. It's a long day to go there though. Quiet beach day at Freedom Beach or Katanoi. Okay, I have to say, this is an unrealistic day. That's an unrealistic day. If you're doing this, in all honesty, if you're doing this, that's the only thing you're doing that day. So I'm not gonna fix that now. I think I'm gonna have to go through so many options to see, but this is not a realistic day at all. Nobody is doing this and then going to the beach after. If somebody's doing this, they're coming home and passing out afterwards. It's a long day. It's like a 12-hour day minimum. Quiet beach day at Freedom Beach. Yeah, no. This is like you get picked up at 5:30 in the morning type of day. So this is unrealistic. Let's see the next day. Beach yoga session. Wander, Phuket Town, Beach Club. That's a realistic day. Sunrise at Promtep Cave, Big Buddha, and Wat Chalong. Okay, Bangalore. That's realistic. Pangna, Longtail. That's okay also. Take the ferry, beach time. Yep, that's okay. Okay. Let me look at it in light mode. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I think now I know that some of the days that they're planning might be unrealistic. So I think before I even move on to the next feature tomorrow, I'm gonna have Claude fix that, and I'll just give them. I really don't want to go through every single destination, but I'll just give them examples. Like if you're doing some type of boat tour, that's usually an all-day affair. I mean, depending on which one you're doing, but the one that they suggested, that takes all day. So I have to fix that. I don't need somebody. If somebody's really using this to plan their trip and they plan that day, they're gonna hate me after that day. But okay, let's see. Everything was pulled. That looks good. All right. I think I'm going to stop here for today, right? Because if I do anything else, then I'll get carried away, and I have work in an hour and a half. So got to make dinner and take my eyes off of the screen for a little bit because I'll be looking at it all night. But thank you guys so much for joining today. Thank you, Azor, as always. Thank you, Echo, as always. We had a few. It was a little quiet in the chat, but we had a few characters. Thank you, Jack, for joining. Thank you, Naidul, for joining. And who was that? Thank you, Raina, for joining. And that pushy guy, that marketing guy. Thank you, Sardi, for joining. But all right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 10. Yeah, thanks, Echo. And we'll just keep building upon this. It's looking so much better than yesterday, so I'm super happy about that. Have a good night, a good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you tomorrow.